Let me show you how we can enter the recovery mode on the Xiaomi 17 and how we can exit it as well. So in order to go to the recovery mode, first we're going to restart our phone. So I'm going to use the power button and volume up button at the same time. So open the power menu, there we go, and then you want to slide down to reboot the phone. But once you start rebooting your phone, you want to press and hold volume up button. There we go. And now just keep holding volume up all the time until you go to the recovery mode. So now this circle disappeared. Keep holding volume up. And soon we should see the recovery mode. There we go. Now once we are in the recovery mode, over here you can use volume buttons in order to navigate in here. So you can of course move up and down, as you can see over here. You cannot really use the touch screen, as you can see it doesn't work, so you have to use volume buttons, and then you confirm your selected option by using the power button. Now, in case you want to exit the recovery mode, in here you want to choose the reboot option. So we're gonna tap over here, and then go to reboot the system, and that is pretty much it. Your phone will restart and go back into its normal mode. Leave a like and subscribe.